Deep in the Pacific tropics, there grows a fruit that looks less like food and more like an exploding star.
This is the Hala fruit. Ancient, alien, and incredibly tough.
To the locals, it's a staple. To the rest of the world, it's a mystery.
Today, we're going to see how millions of these heavy, fibrous giants are turned into pure energy.
It looks like an exploding star, grows in a jungle, and takes 5 tons of hydraulic pressure just to crack open. We are smashing, boiling, and laser slicing millions of these alien giants to extract the golden nectar hidden inside. From a spiky mystery to a global superfood shipped to 40 countries, this is the ultimate industrial transformation.
But before we ship it, we have to find it. Let's go back to step 1, the harvest.
Harvesting is dangerous work. These fruits can weigh over 10 kilos.
And they are built like tanks.
Once collected, they begin their journey to the mega processing plant. This facility was built specifically to crack the Hala code.
It handles 50 tons of raw alien fruit every single day.
The intake process is brutal. These fruits are rock hard. First, they must be sanitized. High-pressure jets strip away the jungle grit, revealing the vibrant, sunset colors hidden beneath.
Now clean, they are ready for the most difficult step.
Breaking them open. You can't do this by hand.
The core of the Hala fruit is solid wood. It requires 5 tons of force to crack.
The shattered press separates the keys instantly.
It turns the sphere into a shower of individual segments.
Shakers separate the edible keys from the inedible woody core.
These are the keys. The treasure is locked inside those fibers.
Quality control ensures only the ripest, brightest keys make the cut.
To get the juice, we have to soften them up.
It's essentially a giant pressure cooker set to 120 degrees Celsius.
Heat breaks down the tough cellular structure.
For 45 minutes, the fibers relax. But the fibers are still holding on to the nectar.
Now we squeeze.
This custom-built machine mimics the human mouth, multiplied by 1,000.
Steel brushes scrape the pulp from the fibers without shredding the waste.
The result is this: pure Hala nectar.
The leftover fiber isn't wasted, though. It goes to the furnaces to power the factory's boilers. Meanwhile, the gold moves to refinement. Even a single fiber could ruin the texture of the final product.
It must be perfectly smooth.
Lab testing confirms the sugar content.
Naturally sweet, but it needs concentration. The pulp is currently 80%.
The packaging hall moves at a blistering pace.
Cans are air blasted to ensure sterility. The paste line fills 500 cans a minute. Hermetically sealed for a shelf life of 5 years.
Branding the alien fruit for the global market.
The snack line is even faster. Nitrogen flushing removes oxygen to keep them crisp. Robots handle the final pack-out. Traceability is mandatory.
X-rays check for any foreign metal or glass.
Sealed and ready for export.
One pallet holds 2,000 units. Secured for the long ocean voyage. From the jungle floor to the supermarket shelf.
This facility ships to 40 different countries.
But we missed one thing: the seeds.
The seeds inside the core are rich in essential oils. Hala oil is worth its weight in silver for the cosmetic industry.
Used in high-end perfumes and skin creams.
And the leaves of the tree, they don't go to waste either.
Traditional weaving is kept alive right here in the factory annex, preserving culture alongside industry.
The shift is ending, and the cleanup begins.
The beast sleeps for only 4 hours.
But the harvest never stops. Because the trees are always producing.
It's a continuous cycle of growth and processing.
Turning an alien fruit into a household name.
Nature's design, perfected by engineering.
Another day, another 50 tons.
In the R&D wing, the future is being written.
The complexity of this alien fruit is revealed.
Science and nature working hand in hand.
The final leg of the journey begins here.
Connecting this remote island to the world.
Next stop, Tokyo, Los Angeles, London. Powering the global supply chain.
Carrying the taste of the tropics. Fueling lives everywhere.
From a strange spiky ball to a global superfood. It's been a wild ride inside the Hala factory. 我很发现